clarification on this. Yeah, can you zoom into the photo? Yeah. Can I address my questions to Miss Trixie Angeles Cruz? Is she present? Oh, there. Okay, ma'am.
Baliktad po,
Yeah.
Mr. Chair. It's Trixie Cruz Angeles.
Huh?
Trixie Cruz Angeles, sir.
Oh, okay. Trixie Cruz Angeles. Okay. Familiar po ba kayo sa National Radio and Television Administration or NRTA ng China?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And you are fully aware that they do conduct training programs for media practitioners mula sa iba't ibang bansa?
Yes.
At dito po sa larawan, pwede niyo po ba ibahagi sa komitiba kung sino-sino po ang nandito sa larawan?
Medyo malabo po, malayo po yung, kung maaari pong lakihan para makita ko.
Okay. Yeah.
Yan, malinaw na.
Hindi, kasi dito malinaw din. Pwede lumapit mo siya.
Pwede naman po kayo lumapit dito, Miss Angeles.
Saan ba yan? Anong plan?
I can name some of them that I do
Microphone,
Hindi ko na po maalala yung pangalan ng iba kasi it's been some time at hindi po kami magkakakilala lahat nung pumunta kami. So ang naaalala ko lang yan, si Miss Pia Morato who was speaking for the group. She's in front. Tuturo ko ba?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Si Tio Moreno, myself.
Tio Moreno.
He was there as a journalist and I think an information officer. He's also, I understand he's a blogger. Mr. Mark Lopez and Attorney Ahmed Paglinawan. But the others, hindi ko na po maalala yung pangalan nila.
Mr. Mark Lopez.
si Mark Lopez dyan.
Behind me.
Nakasalamin.
Yes, sir.
And who else, ma'am?
I don't remember the names of the others.
Okay. Thank you very much. Can you more or less tell us, Ms. Cruz, when was this seminar, where and when was it held?
In China, on May 23rd to June 5th, 2023.
So 2023.
Yes, sir.
So again, what dates?
May 23rd to June 5th, 2023.
So ilang araw po kayo sa China, Ms. Cruz?
May 23rd. Mahina po ako sa math, but from May 23rd to June 5th, I assume that's about roughly about 12 days.
12 days, so
More
more
or
or less
less,
around 2 weeks.
More or less.
Yeah. And this seminar, was it sponsored or did you have to pay for your seminar fees?
This was sponsored.
So ang nagbayad po nito ay yung state of China,
Yes, sir.
China government. Ang nagbayad sa inyo,
Yes, sir.
sa travel ninyo, sa stay ninyo, at sa seminar. Okay. Paano po ba kayo naimbitahan para maging bahagi ng seminar?
Through the Chinese embassy.
Through the Chinese embassy. Pinili po kayo ng Chinese embassy.
They conduct these regularly, I understand. There are others who are also invited from the mainstream media. Pero hindi po kami magkasabay that time. So, I understand that this is conducted regularly. I think yearly. I'm not sure though.
So it is a state-funded program by China where they invite media practitioners such as yourself. Am I correct?
I think this is one of those times where they've invited vloggers.
Okay, vloggers, yes. And can you more or less share with us what was the nature of the seminar?
Oh, they introduced new techniques in social media, such as short-form social media, how to take them. A lot of them were technical, emerging issues, but they also give a background on China. And I'm sorry, that's all that I can recall.
Okay. So, more or less, kulang-kulang isang linggo po kayo doon, no? Maayos
Dalawa
naman po ang
Kulang-kulang ng 2 linggo.
Kulang-kulang na 2 linggo, sorry. Maayos naman po ang pagtrato sa inyo ng bansang China habang nandun kayo. Maganda yung hotel, maganda yung
Hindi
accommodations.
po siya hotel.
Oh, it wasn't a hotel.
Hindi po hotel, dorm po.
Dorm. Okay. So was this the first time that your group participated in such a seminar?
I don't know about your group, sir.
Oh, sorry. I mean the group that you were with.
Ngayon ko lang po sila nakasabay.
So you've been there before.
Yes, sir. There is a cultural exchange agreement between China and the Philippines since 1970s.
Okay.
I was in Xi'an for an archaeological seminar, part of our cultural exchange agreement because I'm an archaeologist.
So, si Mr. Mark Lopez, kayo po ay naging bahagi din ng seminar, tama? Oo. Naka-ilang bisita na po kayo o naka-ilang seminar na po kayo dito sa state-funded activity ng China?
Sir, yan lang po yung na-attendan ko po.
Again?
Yan lang po ang na-attendan ko.
Ito lang po yung nadaluhan ninyo? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, pa-correct lang po. Yung punta ko sa Xi'an was a conference
Yeah.
on
okay.
cultural property.
Would you think that the seminar that you attended affected your perspective or the work that you do?
Ako po o si Mr. Mark Lopez?
Kayo
Myself?
po, Miss Cruz. Kasi yun naman
No.
po yung layunin ng mga seminars, di ba? Para mas palawakin ang inyong pag-unawa, mas pagalingin kayo sa trabaho na ginagampanan ninyo. So sa
Pagdating
palagay niyo po ba nakatulong ang mga seminars na ito sa trabahong ginagampanan ninyo?
abogado po ako at ang isang dalubhasa, I think, sa cultural conservation. So yung seminar, it includes a history of China, which also includes an understanding of the area. Matagal ko na pong napag-aralan yon. So medyo, yung iba doon, ulit na. Pero ang bago ay yung short form, yung pagturo nila ng short form type of video, which is a technical, parang technical na seminar yon, na tinuturuan kung paano gumamit ng ibang mga platforms at yung pagturo ng appreciation ng short form. Ang short form po, yun po yung mga reels, yung mga TikTok, at saka yung 1-minute videos ng YouTube.
Okay. At I'm sure yung na-gain ninyo at napakinabangan po ninyong additional knowledge is the same with those of those other participants in the seminar. Am I true to understand that, Mr. Lopez? Am I correct to understand that?
Mr. Chair, yung akin pong takeaway dun po sa seminar na yun is that it's just an appreciation po of how China media works.
Okay. And from the other participants in today's hearing, were there other individuals there? Kayo po. Okay. Hindi ko po kasi kayo nakilala sa litrato. Sino po kayo? Have you taken your oath?
No, sir, because I was not part of the list that you called, and I did not get an invitation personally. But I came here because I was issued a show cause order for the past hearing that I could not attend because I was in Davao City, in Tagum City, and I came here just to submit that and be with my partner. My partner is Attorney Trixie Cruz Angeles. We are Luminous, the Facebook page and the YouTube page.
So you mentioned that you're partners?
Law partners, and also on the blog, sir, on the Facebook and YouTube page.
So abogado po kayo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so kayo po ay nandun din po sa seminar?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ano pong pangalan nila?
Ahmed Paglinawan.
Okay, thank you very much. So anyway, that's all I have to ask, Mr. Chair, no? So thank you very much. At least inamin po ng ating resource persons na nakinabang po sila doon sa state-sponsored seminar. Mas naintindihan nila yung paggamit ng mga reels, ng mga threads, ng mga short videos. Ang pakiusap ko lang, sana itong dagdag kakayahan na naibahagi po nila sa inyo ay magamit nyo po para sa kapakinabangan ng bansang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat. No?